In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an API key with Coinbase in 2025. If you're looking to integrate your Coinbase account with third-party applications, or you simply want to automate certain tasks, generating an API key is essential. I'll walk you through this process step by step, ensuring you make the most out of your Coinbase account. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Coinbase account, open up your favorite web browser and head over to coinbase.com. To keep your account as secure as possible, make sure you're using a strong password and, if possible, have two-factor authentication enabled. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right of the Coinbase interface. There you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and give it a click. It will present you with a drop-down menu from which you need to select Settings. Now that you're in the Settings area, find the API tab. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this section because it is where you'll manage all API related settings for your account. Upon entering the API tab, locate the button that says Create API Key and click on it. This is where you start customizing your key. Begin by assigning a nickname to your API key. This nickname will help you identify the purpose of the key later on, especially if you have multiple keys. It's a small detail, but trust me, it will save you a headache in the future. Next, you'll need to choose which wallets or accounts you want your API key to have access to. It's important to carefully select only those that are relevant to the tasks you plan to automate or integrate with. This adds a layer of control and security to your account activities. Speaking of security, you have the opportunity to set permissions for your API key. Whether you want it to have view rights, trade rights, or even transfer rights, make sure you only enable the permissions that are absolutely necessary. For an added layer of security, you can specify IP address restrictions. While this step is optional, it's highly recommended as it ensures that only requests from your specified IP addresses will be entertained by the API key. Once you've set up everything to your liking, hit the Create and Download button. You'll then need to complete two-factor authentication, which is an important security measure to verify your identity. Finally, you're presented with your freshly minted API and secret keys. This step requires your utmost attention. Be sure to copy both keys and save them in a secure location. Remember, these keys will not be shown again, so it's crucial to store them safely. And there you have it. You've successfully created an API key with Coinbase. Remember, handle these keys with care and regularly review your API settings to ensure everything remains secure.